going to show you how to play Young and Sad on guitar. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. Let's get started. For this song, you're going to want capo on 3. The chords you'll need for this song: E minor, open 2-2, open 3-3, D, open 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 2-3-3, C, open 3-2, open 3-3, G, 3-2, open open 3-3, F sharp over G, 2, open 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 3-3. The pre-chorus. And the chorus. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you didn't quite pick it up the first time around, no worries. Just replay the video. You'll get it.